Low-carb and no-sugar foods are everywhere, but most people still feel stuck, hungry, and confused because they don't know what actually works inside the body. Some healthy choices still trigger cravings, while others keep you full for hours, stabilize blood sugar, and make fat loss feel easier. In this video, we'll break down 12 low-carb and no-sugar foods, explain what each one really does for appetite, insulin, metabolism, and energy, and answer the big question: what's better, low-carb, no sugar, or both together? Let's start with food number 1. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete low-carb, no-sugar foods you can eat because they support fat loss and metabolism from multiple angles at once. First, eggs are rich in high-quality protein with all essential amino acids, which helps protect muscle while you're losing fat. And keeping muscle is one of the biggest secrets to maintaining a strong metabolism. Second, the natural fats in eggs slow digestion, meaning you stay full longer and you're less likely to snack or crave sugar later. Eggs are also rich in nutrients that directly support energy and metabolism, like choline, important for liver function and fat metabolism, vitamin B12, important for energy production, and fat-soluble vitamins that help the body function properly. Because eggs contain almost no carbohydrates and no sugar, they help keep blood glucose stable, making them especially helpful for people trying to reduce cravings, improve insulin sensitivity, or follow a low-carb lifestyle without feeling deprived. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is not just low-carb and sugar-free. It's one of the strongest foods for metabolic health because it helps the body function better at the hormonal and cellular level. Salmon provides high-quality protein that supports muscle repair and keeps you full, which reduces overeating and improves body composition over time. But the real advantage is omega-3 fats, which help calm inflammation. And chronic inflammation is often linked to stubborn fat gain, insulin resistance, and constant cravings. Salmon also supports brain function and mood, which matters more than people realize because stress and poor sleep can increase hunger hormones and make it harder to stay consistent. On top of that, salmon provides nutrients like vitamin D and selenium that support immunity, thyroid function, and hormone balance. Since salmon has no sugar and practically no carbs, it's one of the best foods to build meals around when your goal is stable energy, fewer cravings, and healthier weight management long-term. Before we move to the next food, please make sure to like the video. Number 3. Avocados. Avocados are one of the best examples of how a food can be high-fat, but still extremely effective for fat loss and blood sugar control. Avocados are very low in sugar and low in net carbs because they're packed with fiber, and fiber is critical because it slows digestion and reduces how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. That means fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and fewer cravings later. The fats in avocado are mainly monounsaturated fats, which can support heart health and help improve insulin sensitivity. Avocados also help with satiety, that deep, satisfied feeling after a meal, which makes them powerful for people who struggle with snacking or late-night cravings. They also contain potassium, which supports muscle function, hydration balance, and even helps your body feel better when reducing carbs. When you use avocado correctly, for example with eggs, chicken, tuna, or salads, it becomes one of the most reliable foods for stable energy and appetite control without sugar. Number 4. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the cleanest low-carb, no-sugar protein options because it provides a strong protein hit with minimal carbohydrates and no sugar, making it perfect for stable energy and body recomposition. High protein helps reduce hunger and increases the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fats. Chicken breast also helps preserve lean mass, and the more lean mass you maintain, the easier it becomes to burn fat and stay toned. Another advantage is consistency. Chicken breast is easy to prepare, easy to portion, and easy to combine with fiber and healthy fats to create meals that keep you satisfied. The key is to avoid sugary sauces and breading. Instead, pair it with olive oil, avocado, or vegetables so you get fullness without glucose spikes. When used correctly, chicken breast becomes a powerful tool for fat loss, muscle definition, and stable appetite across the day. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is low-carb and no sugar when you choose the right kind, and it's one of the best foods for combining protein, satiety, and gut support in one place. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which helps reduce hunger and supports muscle maintenance, especially useful if you're trying to lose fat without losing shape. It can also support digestion because many Greek yogurts contain live cultures that help improve gut balance, and your gut health influences cravings, inflammation, and even how well you absorb absorb nutrients. Greek yogurt also provides calcium, which supports bone health and muscle function, and it can be a satisfying base for healthy low-carb combinations, like adding cinnamon, a few berries, optional, or nuts in controlled portions. The key is simple: avoid flavored versions, because those often contain added sugar. When it's plain and unsweetened, Greek yogurt becomes a steady, filling option that supports metabolism without triggering cravings. Number 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are low-carb, no-sugar foods that provide huge nutritional value with minimal calories, and this is one reason they're so powerful for weight control. They're rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps slow the absorption of food, leading to steadier blood sugar and fewer cravings. Leafy greens also provide micronutrients that support energy production and metabolic processes, including magnesium, folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Many people underestimate leafy greens because they don't feel powerful, but they matter because they help your body function efficiently while you're cutting sugar and carbs. They also add volume to meals, making your plate bigger and more satisfying without increasing sugar or carbs. When you consistently include leafy greens, you often notice better digestion, better energy stability, and fewer cravings, which makes staying consistent easier, and consistency is what creates results. Number 7. Cheese. Natural, full-fat, no added sugar. Cheese can be a very smart, low-carb, no-sugar food when you use it correctly and keep portions reasonable. The protein and fat in cheese slow digestion, which can help keep you full and reduce cravings, especially cravings for sweets. Cheese also provides calcium and other nutrients that support muscle function and bone strength. Another hidden benefit is satisfaction. Foods that taste rich and satisfying can reduce the feeling of restriction, which helps many people stick to a healthy plan long-term. The important part is choosing natural cheese rather than processed cheese products that may contain fillers, starches, or additives. Also, cheese is calorie-dense, so it's not about eating unlimited amounts. It's about using it as a tool. When paired with vegetables, eggs, or lean protein, cheese can help you feel satisfied and stable without sugar or carb spikes. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil has 0 carbs and 0 sugar, but it plays a major role in how your body handles appetite, inflammation, and insulin response. Healthy fats help slow digestion and support stable blood sugar, which reduces those sudden hunger crashes that push people toward sugar. Olive oil is also associated with better heart health and can help the body respond better to insulin over time. Another important point is nutrient absorption. Many vitamins in vegetables need fat for absorption, so adding olive oil to salads or cooked vegetables can make your meals more nutritionally effective and more satisfying. Olive oil can also improve the taste of food, which again reduces the feeling of restriction and makes it easier to stay consistent. The biggest mistake people make is adding olive oil but still eating sugar-heavy foods. Olive oil works best when it supports a balanced low-carb, no-sugar meal structure. Number 9. Nuts. Nuts are low-carb and no-sugar foods that provide a strong combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, and that combination is exactly what reduces cravings and improves satiety. The fiber slows digestion, the fats provide steady energy, and the protein supports muscle maintenance, making nuts a powerful snack option when portions are controlled. Nuts also provide minerals like magnesium, which supports muscle function, stress regulation, and metabolic health, and stress is a major trigger for sugar cravings. The key is choosing nuts that are not coated in sugar, honey, or sweet flavors, and avoiding overeating because nuts are calorie-dense. When used correctly, a small handful, paired with water or alongside a meal, nuts can reduce hunger between meals and prevent the "I need something sweet" feeling that destroys consistency. Number 10. Sardines. Sardines are one of the most underrated low-carb and no-sugar foods, yet they are incredibly powerful for fat loss, metabolic health, and long-term nutrition. They are naturally free of sugar and extremely low in carbohydrates, while being rich in high-quality protein that helps preserve muscle mass and keep you full for extended periods. What makes sardines especially valuable is their omega-3 fat content, which helps reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Two key factors that directly affect how easily your body burns fat. Sardines are also one of the best natural sources of calcium and vitamin D, especially when eaten with the bones, which support bone strength, muscle function, and hormone regulation. In addition, sardines provide vitamin B12, which plays a critical role in energy production and nervous system health. Because sardines are nutrient-dense, satisfying, and metabolically supportive, they help reduce cravings and make it easier to stay consistent with a low-carb, no-sugar lifestyle without feeling deprived. Number 11. Zucchini. Zucchini is an extremely low-carb, no-sugar food that helps you build bigger meals without adding sugar or heavy carbohydrates. That's a huge advantage because many people fail diets not because they lack motivation, but because their meals feel too small. Zucchini has high water content and fiber, which helps you feel full while keeping blood sugar stable. It also supports digestion and makes meals more enjoyable because it can replace higher carb foods, like pasta or rice, without making you feel like you're missing everything. Zucchini also provides vitamin C and antioxidants that support immune health and recovery. When you consistently use low-carb volume foods like zucchini, it becomes much easier to stay consistent because you're not constantly fighting hunger. Number 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are one of the most underrated low-carb, no-sugar foods, and they support health in ways most people don't expect. They are low in calories, low in carbs, and naturally sugar-free, but rich in important nutrients like B vitamins that support energy production and metabolism. Mushrooms also contain unique compounds that support immune function and help the body deal with inflammation. Their natural savory flavor makes meals more satisfying without adding sugar, and that satisfaction factor is critical for long-term adherence. Mushrooms also work beautifully with other low-carb staples, eggs, chicken, salads, olive oil, allowing you to build flavorful meals that feel satisfying without carbs. When your meals taste good and keep you full, cravings reduce, consistency improves, and results become easier. Now you can clearly see the difference. The best results come from combining low-carb and no-sugar foods that keep you full, stabilize insulin, and reduce cravings, because when blood sugar stays stable, everything gets easier: your appetite, your energy, and your fat loss. If you want more videos like this that go deep and give you real, practical nutrition strategies, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. And now I want you to comment below. Which of these 12 foods do you eat the most, and which one will you start adding this week? I read your comments and I use them to choose the next videos.